So now let's see how you can customize Dropbox even more by seeing the settings that Dropbox provides you with. So I'm just going to go on to this icon right over here, and then I'm going to go to settings right over here. So we've already been here in previous lessons as well, but over here, let's see what general settings it provides. So what you can do over here is you can go on to photo and edit your photo, as you can see right over here. If you want to upload your profile picture, you can change your name or even your personal email right over here. You can go around over here and change the language. For example, you can choose with many different languages which are available over here. And then you can choose the date format right over here, which by default is DDMMYYYY. So if you want to change the date format for Dropbox paper and everything else, you can change this out as well. So you can also have automatic time zones. So you can choose your time zone yourself as well if you want to. For example, you want to choose somewhere else, you can do that over here as well. I'll just choose automatic time zone right over here. You can also go for early releases, that is get included on early releases for new Dropbox features like everything else. Then you can actually apply for that as well. So everything actually has gets applied to your Dropbox account once they get released right over here. So you can see right here, you can also see info about people who see your file. So you really want to have this as well. And manually added contacts, you can clear them out as well. And you can have Smart Sync, which is available for Mac version of Dropbox right over here. You can also entirely delete your Dropbox account by clicking on delete account right over here. Here you can see the plan right over here and the amount of space actually used out. So you can see right here that 149.84 megabytes have been used right over here, while shared files have 2.8 megabytes. And you have 1.85 megabytes remaining. So then we have security right over here, which we looked at in previous settings where we set up our two-step verification. There's also security checkups right over here. For example, you can start the backup right over here and then do a backup of your entire device as well. Let me just go back over here because I don't want to do backup right over here. So I'm just going to go to settings right over here. So there's plan and settings, as you can see. You can also change your password right over here as well and see who logged in. For example, you can see that I logged in through my Edge browser on Windows right over here. There's also notification settings right over here, which we looked at previously as well. There's connected apps. So I recently connected Zoom, so it is located right over here. And there's default apps located right over here, as you can see. So that is how you can actually work around. So in the default apps, you can see that there's Word document, Excel, and PowerPoint presentation, which is actually the default apps being selected. So what you can do is you can do Word for Web as well. So whenever you open up Word document, then it'll open up in Word for Web, or you can use the Google Docs as well, as you can see. So you can set this up in whatever app you are comfortable with, just like that. So that is how you can link up default applications inside of Dropbox. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.